Gotta wait for Aunt Rachel.
Not yet, Craig.
Not yet.
Hey.
There's a nice face. Hannah Montana bunny. I can't believe they make those.
That's so fair.
Is this?
What is that thing? What's that? I want to see that. Want to see that?
Say, Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
It's a
See, it's a video camera.
A video camera.
So you hold it, and what, like, you video your sister. Like if you look through there, you can see what you're taping.
I want to see it. Thank you. Happy Easter.
You don't have to press the button. It's already recording.
Happy Easter.
Say it again. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Peace out.
Peace out.
That's awesome.
See? Now you tape your sister. You hold it. Get her to say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Peace out.
All right.
Can we open our Easter stuff?
Where's Aunt Rachel at?
She's in the bathroom. Mommy, I see you.
Hey, can you
Oh,
tell,
I just want to get home and
can
make
you
something.
tell Craig what we read about?
Jesus.
And what happened to Jesus?
He died on the cross.
And then what happened?
He rose again.
That's right.
That's right.
Right? Today's a very happy
Okay,
day.
there's Aunt Rachel. She's here.
Woo! Whoa! I'm getting another Easter stuff. Wow! A water
You
can.
got that one and this one that you're opening. What are those?
Madagascar.
Madagascar, they stickers?
Yeah.
Ooh.
A tissue.
Open it.
Tissue.
Yay, tissues.
Whoa.
You can blow your nose.
Look.
Can you get it out?
K-A-R-I-S.
Oh, there's your name on it. And hers does too.
I got my name on it too.
Wow.
Casper.
Let's see the egg, Kendra.
Show your name.
Let me see the name of the egg.
Kendra.
And do mine.
Okay. There's Karis. And then I'll back off to get Karis's face.
Oh. That is awesome.
I want that.
Do you want to put it back in your box so it doesn't get all over?
What?
No, you want to get it out? Okay.
Spray, spray.
You want to
Need help there?
Can we help you?
Tucker, what are you doing? Why are you wearing pajamas, Tucker?
Happy Easter.
I'm wearing my Easter dress.
Happy Easter. Is that a bunny?
Yeah,
Is that the real Easter bunny?
Cadbury and jelly.
Does it go like this?
Watch this, Tucker. Watch this, Tucker.
Are they like black?
See, did you hear that? It's spraying. Sully string is boom.
We're going to do it outside.
Yeah, we're doing outside, Tucker.
I know.
Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Look, it's the Easter bunny.
I'll back to it.
I saw some Easter eggs.
Did you?
And we get up in the counter.
Yeah?
Hey, watch. Watch this, Craig.
It's Chris.
Watch this, Chris.
Uncle Chris.
Adrian's back.
Craig.
Hey,
That's awesome.
yeah, he has a
Go,
hair.
Chris.
taping the web screen.
Hi,